Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, this week we did have a security update for Google Chrome. It happened on Tuesday, the 11th. So if you go to Google Chrome, go in the upper right in the three vertical dots, go down to Help and About Chrome, you will be sent to version 142.0.7444.162 or 163. Depending on the version you have on Linux, Mac OS, or Windows. It contains one security fix, one high severity security fix. It's a problem that is type confusion in the V8 scripting engine within Chrome. And of course, there could be more. From what I understand lately, when it's not publicly disclosed, they actually don't talk about them. That's why we've been having a couple of weeks with just no info about any security details. I think it's a Google way of just trying to, if we don't talk about it, nobody knows that it exists. And if nobody knows that it exists, well, chances of, having an exploit open in the wild is a low chance. There's not a lot of chances it's going to happen. So anyways, one security fix, and of course that means there'll be one security fix probably pushed to your Chromium, your favorite Chromium browser, Edge, Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on during the week. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.